Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Tour, where we help you speak English with confidence and enjoy the learning journey.
Hi, everyone. I'm Maya.
And I'm Alex. How are you today? Maya?
I'm doing great, Alex. How about you?
I'm feeling fantastic today
Really? Why are you so happy?
because I had my morning coffee and the weather is beautiful.
Haha. Coffee always makes you happy.
That's true. And what about you?
I'm excited
Oh, why is that?
because today's topic is something many English learners want to know.
Oh, now I'm curious. What is it?
Today we're talking about how to train your brain to speak English naturally.
Wow, that sounds important.
It is. And the good news is that it's easier than many people think.
Really? I don't need a magic trick?
No magic tricks today.
Good. I forgot my magic wand.
Haha. That's okay.
Before we begin, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes. If you enjoy our videos, please click the like button.
And subscribe to English Tour for more English speaking lessons and role plays.
Your support helps us create more videos for you.
And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family.
Okay, Alex. Are you ready?
I am ready. Let's train my brain.
Alex, when you want to speak English, what happens in your mind?
First, I think in my own language.
And then,
Then I translate the sentence into English.
that's what many learners do.
Yes, but sometimes it takes a long time.
Exactly. Translation is helpful in the beginning, but it can slow you down.
So what should I do?
Start thinking in simple English sentences.
Simple sentences?
Very simple.
Give me an example.
Look at your phone.
Okay, I see my phone.
Instead of thinking phone, think, this is my phone.
That's easy.
Or say, my phone is on the table.
I like that.
The goal is to connect English directly to real life.
Not English through translation.
Exactly.
So when I wake up in the morning, I can think, I am awake.
Perfect.
I need some coffee.
Very good.
Today is going to be a good day.
Excellent.
Wow, this feels simple.
That's because it is simple.
I can do this while walking too.
Of course.
I see a bus.
Good.
The bus is blue.
Great.
A woman is talking on the phone.
Wonderful. You're already practicing.
So, tip number 1 is to think in small English sentences all day.
Exactly.
Okay, what's the second tip?
The second tip is simple. Fill your brain with English.
What do you mean?
Listen to English and watch English every day.
Like videos?
Yes. Videos, podcasts, songs, and audiobooks.
Why is this important?
Because your brain learns patterns.
Patterns?
Yes. The more English you hear, the more natural it feels.
Like hearing the same sentence structures again and again?
Exactly.
So, my brain starts recognizing them automatically.
That's right.
What should beginners watch?
Start with easy English content.
Like English Tour?
Haha. Yes, like English Tour.
Good answer.
Choose topics you enjoy.
Such as?
Cooking, travel, sports, technology, or daily life.
I love football.
Then watch simple football videos in English.
That sounds fun.
Learning should be enjoyable.
I also like travel videos.
Great. You'll hear useful phrases like, this place is beautiful, or let's visit the beach.
So, I learn English while enjoying my hobby.
Exactly.
That's much better than memorizing long word lists.
For many people, yes.
Okay, Tip 2 is clear. Listen and watch English every day.
Correct.
What's tip number 3?
Speak English out loud.
But what if I don't have a speaking partner?
Then speak to yourself.
Really?
Absolutely.
People might think I'm talking to an invisible friend.
Then do it at home.
Good idea.
Speaking out loud helps your brain and mouth work together.
What should I talk about?
Describe what you see around you.
Let me try.
Go ahead.
I am sitting in my room.
Good.
There is a desk next to me.
Excellent.
I have a laptop on the desk.
Keep going.
The room is quiet.
Very nice.
Wow, this actually feels useful.
It is.
Can I talk about my day too?
Definitely.
For example, today I went to work.
Good.
I had lunch with my friend.
Excellent.
Then I watched an English tour video.
Haha. Perfect example.
The more I speak, the easier it becomes.
Exactly.
So, I don't need to wait for someone else to practice with me.
No. You can start today.
Let's review our 3 tips.
Great idea.
Tip number 1. Think in small English sentences.
Like, I am hungry, or it is raining.
Tip number 2. Fill your brain with English.
Listen to podcasts, songs, and videos you enjoy.
Tip number 3. Speak English out loud.
Describe your room, your activities, and your day.
These tips sound simple.
Because simple habits often work best.
Maya, how fast will my English improve?
That's a good question.
Will I become fluent tomorrow?
No, Alex.
I knew you were going to say that.
Learning a language takes time.
So I need patience.
Yes. Practice a little every day.
Even 10 or 15 minutes.
Absolutely.
Small practice every day is better than studying once a week.
Exactly.
And what about mistakes?
Don't worry about them.
Really?
Mistakes are part of learning.
So if I make a mistake, I should try again?
That's the best thing to do.
I like that.
Remember, confidence grows with practice.
And learning should be fun.
Always.
That was a wonderful discussion. Maya,
It really was.
I hope everyone learned something useful today.
Me too.
Before we go, don't forget to like this video.
Subscribe to English Tour for more English speaking practice and role plays.
And share this video with someone who is learning English.
We also have a question for you.
Yes, tell us in the comments.
What do you do to train your brain to speak English?
Do you listen to music?
Do you watch English videos?
Or do you practice speaking to yourself?
We would love to read your answers.
Thank you for joining us on English Tour.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking English.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.